Welcome back to another offline performance video. Today we have exciting news for the ZN6 and ZN8 community. While working closely with Outfront Motorsports and our in-house tuner, Junior, we have designed the FB24 long block. This engine is made up of FA25 K-Sabs out of 2011 to 2019 NA Subarus, and we actually took this short block and we closed decked them and then machined them for half-inch head studs. This car in particular has King Performance race bearings, Carrillo rods, and custom forged JE pistons made to match the stock compression ratio of 12.5 to 1 while utilizing the FA20 heads. We've also built this motor with a brand new FA20 crank, which de-strokes this to a 2.4 liter. As far as the cylinder head goes, we used FA20 heads and machined them to fit half-inch head studs. We also used the Denstoge rocker retainers, GSE 5056 beehive springs, GSE standard intake and exhaust valves, and GSE valve guides. Then we do a standard valve job, which includes an adjustment, resurfacing, and cleaning service. This is currently the only car that we have tested, and as you can see, it is boosted, but our findings are still amazing. Simply dropping the long block in, we gained 50 wheel horsepower and 70 wheel torque. And then we had Junior plug into it, and after tuning, we had made 70 wheel horsepower and an extra 100 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty insane. And if you look at the graph, it is very torquey. In the low end, the car is gonna be a riot to drive. Now that you've seen what this motor can do, let's talk about the cost. The Tier 1 option will be perfect for those looking to upgrade their engine and gain a little bit more torque and a little bit more power, or if you need a rebuild on your FA20 or FA24 engine. The price will be coming in at $4,500, so it is very affordable and is very cost effective for what you get. The Tier 2 option costs $5,300, and this will be our 500 package. And essentially, it is good for 400 to 450 wheel horsepower, and this is for most turbo kits that people are putting on these cars. Our Tier 3 option is going to come in at $6,800, and that's going to be for the high horsepower builds, anywhere from 600 to about 750 wheel horsepower. With that being said, we are extremely excited to be bringing these motors to the ZN6 and ZN8 community. On this YouTube channel, we will be doing a budget-friendly build series on an NA BRZ. The goal with this series is to give you the confidence that you need, as well as the budget that you can stick around to build yourself a BRZ or 86. If you have a BRZ or 86 at home, check out our parts catalog, offlineperformance.com, or the link will be in the bio. We have an amazing catalog for the ZN6 and ZN8 chassis. We have exhaust, headers, and now we have engines, and we also have overlays and things of that nature. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to show your support, drop a like, drop a subscription, and also head down to the comments and let us know what you guys would like to see in the new BRZ series, or any questions you have about the new FB24 motor.